Hey, goat. Goat. Hey. Where do you live? Little goat guy. Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah, that's good. That's a good goat. Come here. Goat. Hey. Goat, come here. No, 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 no. No, come here. Come here. Hey, hey. Come here. Get in the car. No, you're not going to ram me. We're not doing that. No, bad goat. Bad goat. Go in there. Yeah, let's go for a ride. You're one bad mamma jamma. You have the right to remain silent and not make any statements at all. Any statements you make may be used against you at trial. Any statements you make may be used as evidence against you in court. Do you understand these rights that I have read to you? With these rights in mind, do you still wish to talk to me? You know what, David? So do you want to talk or no? You give me a bad.
If I'm reading this right, is he riding like an actual real bull?
Yeah, he did. Dude, what? 43 headquarters.
Go ahead.
I'm out with the subject with his bull on in the Tractor Supply parking lot.
You are absolutely good.
Yes, sir. I have so many questions.
I got all the answers.
What?
This is Gus.
This is
Gus is famous.
He's a Brahma bull.
Can I pet Gus?
Absolutely. You can get on Gus if you want to.
I think I'm all right now. If I get on Gus and I fall off Gus, then I'm gonna get in trouble.
I'll even give you a little boost.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, dude, what in the world? Yeah, here, you take a picture on my phone. Oh, let's hope I don't get yelled at.
You're doing this job.
He's right there. He's up on that shelf behind the plant. Oh. Right? I know. I know.
Yo, guys, look at this thing. Hi, Kiki. Well, I'm gonna see if he chases a laser. I don't know, cats like lasers.
It's not a normal cat.
Dude, cats are all the same. They all like the same thing.
You guys are hilarious.
Hey, look, Kiki.
I know, buddy. I'm gonna get you out. You're hot in there. I get it. You got a leash? Back up, buddy. Back up. Good boy. I know, you're so hot in here. Good boy. Good boy. Let's get out of here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Oh, get her over here. I don't want the glass. Come here. Yeah, let's get some water. Come here. Oh, good girl. Just set it down, yeah. So thirsty. Uh-oh. There you go.
I see it.
How big is it?
I think it's doable.
Oh, yeah. It's walking around.
It's not a Tom, so that's good.
Oh, God.
Alright, should we just go in at it? What are you hiding over there for?
You got the gloves and the net. Come on, let's go.
Alright. Yeah.
Told you it's getting.
Yeah, we needed 2 of these, Brady.
Get it or not?
Got in one room here.
Okay,
Just give
keep
me a
it in that
second.
room. We need another gnat. Because I'm useless.
Oh my god. Got him.
Hey! Well done.
Alright, now I just don't know what to do.
How far down?
I mean, we're on the 2nd floor. It's probably not mega suitable to just.
I got him. Hold on.
We're not
Brady, hold on to this.
We do not want things don't want to release.
All right, let's go outside. Okay, here, look out. We got her. That's what you get for asking for the net. Let her run. It's all right, buddy. There you go. Well done. Whew.
I just found a baby kitten in the middle of 441.
Oh, you got her. Nice job, Lauren.
Oh, it's such a cutie. Doesn't look too injured.
That one's coming. We got the cat out.
All right.
All right.
Let's get out.
Good kitty. Alright. That one's coming. I'm en route to the animal hospital on Steer Route 7.
No, thanks. Hey, go home. Go home. Go home. Go. Hey. Get back. Hey. Get out of the road. I think I'll be okay. Hey, get back! Ah! No, I stopped the car and they decided to trap him, so now they're trying to give me cuddles. Hey, take it easy, brother. Hey, get back! Get back! Come on! Get out of the road! Get out of the road! Get out of the road! Come on! Guys are angry!
2023년 8월 18일 경찰은 10대 청소년들이 차량을 훔쳐 도주했다는 신고를 받고 출동합니다. 무전을 받은 경찰은 도주 차량이 진입하는 도로에 미리 스파이크 스트립을 설치합니다. 네 바퀴 모두 펑크가 난 상태에서도 차량은 도주를 멈추지 않습니다. 그러나 얼마 지나지 않아 도난 차량은 인근 주택가에서 발견됩니다. 이후 경찰은 근처 숲을 수색하던 중 청소년들이 숲 아래쪽에 숨어 있는 것을 발견합니다.
They're down here. Yeah, there's two down in the ravine right now.
그리고 경찰은 다소 신박한 방법으로 청소년들이 스스로 나오도록 유도합니다.
Don't make us release our canine!
Female, blonde hair, red pants, black hoodie.
Better stop! Over here. Hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Two more coming.
What do y'all do?
You can see how big he is. We take him to a creek, down Bessie's Creek, down towards Western Lakes.
Oh, do you?
And we let him go. There gotta be 100 gators there, because that's where they all go, but hiding in the front up here?
Yeah.
Oh, right there. I got a pole, but this one's kind of small, so I'll grab it.
meet you. You're a hero. Oh, poor guy. Oh my goodness. You need help?
Down Bessie's Creek. Okay, roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Help you with anything?
They'll get calmer when I'm... There you go. Now he's fine.
I'm going to get a picture of you holding him. Oh, gosh. Wow. Love it. Do you need me to open a door for you?
I'm going to put him on a pole.
Okay.
That way I can get him. Yeah, open my back door, please. There's a pole.
Where is it? I'll just grab it for you.
See
That one?
Yes. Pull that out for me. Watch out. I'm going to let him...
Okay.
I know. Alright. He'll be fine.
Have a good day.
Take it easy.
She just takes that dog, but she never takes more than 10 or 15 minutes. It's almost an hour now. It's over an hour now.
Okay, do you know what breed the dog is?
The dog's just he's just a 100-pound dog.
Okay. There's the dog. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Where's your mama? Hi. Hi, where's your mama? Where's your mommy? Hold on. Hold on, where's your mama? Show me where mama is. Show me. Ma'am? How to catch you, ma'am? 322, I've located her. Oh, hey man, can you tell me what happened? Oh, can you tell me what happened? Are you okay? 322 SO, can you have EMS en route to the golf course?
Where were you when I found you?
I was in front of that house right there. And then the dog ran up to me.
And the dog brought you over?
Mm-hmm.
He wouldn't leave. He kept coming back to me.
Mm-hmm. He ran up to my car and I said, bring me to your mommy, and he ran back here.
He come up to your car?
Mm-hmm. Good boy.
Sweetheart.
Good boy. Very good boy.
I'm not even his owner. I'm his grandmother.
Oh, you're such a good boy. You're so good.
Oh, Eeyore, you're a good boy. Grandma loves you.
Good boy, Eeyore.